Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at Paestum. And I think I'm saying it right. It looks like Paestum, Paesuma, but Paestum is the way the guy said it. And you can see it's got some of the best Roman temples still standing. So it's going to be pretty amazing. Let's go take a look. Okay, bye. Okay, this has been on my bucket list for a while, just because it has some of the most intact Roman temples around, and they're huge and amazing, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Look at it. Look, you see the people there? Look at how big the columns are compared to the people, and then how big the full structure is. I mean, it's just enormous. It's crazy. And there's two of them. There's one over there, and then there's this one. But I think this one's amazing just because it's bigger. But the whole thing is kind of like a Pompeii or a Osta Antiquita or a Herculaneum, where it has ruins everywhere. And so, I mean, it used to be a full-on city. And so, but this is, let's see if there's a name for this temple right here. And we'll see what it says here. So it's Temple de Nettuno, and nothing's in English. Temple de Nettuno. Is there anything on English on this one? No, but it says watch your step. I bet that's true. Look at that, man. That is just amazing. Wow, wow. Wow. Crazy. Look at these steps. They're huge. Oh. Wow. Wow, wow. Look at the size of these. I mean, the columns are enormous. I mean, look at the person and then the column. I bet they're 10, 12 feet wide. Wow, wow. Of the stones too, they're enormous. Wow, crazy. So did that mean it used to be multiple stories? So there's probably a roof on it, a triangular roof over the top. And then these probably had, so you see up here on this pillar right here that's broken, this one way up at the top, it's got like another pillar on top of it. So those are probably what supported the center part of the roof. And so it probably had 3 floors. This main section here, the in-between section, and then maybe another section on top, or maybe just 2. I don't know, but here's obviously a doorway. Wow. Wow, wow. Yeah. Crazy amazing. Wow. Okay, I'll be right back. What's amazing about these is that these are 550 BC. So like almost 3,000 years old. Wow, wow. Amazing. And there's 2 of them. Actually, there's 3 of them. Wow. Wow.
questions qu'on peut aussi poser aux dalles. Voilà.
I'm turning around.
Crazy. Bless you. Amazing. All right, I'll walk down this intersection one more time and then we'll go to the other one. 550 BC, and this one's Nettuno. Wow. Amazing. You work here?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. Which one's older, this one or that one?
That one.
That one. That one's what, 550 BC?
550, 560, 570. It
Okay.
isn't
Full.
it's a range.
Okay. And this one's
460.
460.
60, 470. Even for these we have a range, not
You're not an exact date, yeah.
precise year.
Okay, very cool. This one's beautiful. They're both beautiful. Thank you, grazie. Okay, so 450 BC. We'll just call it 450. How's that sound? And then we'll go look at the other one, which is 550 BC. Wow, wow. Look at the lady next to the pillar. I mean, it's just, they're huge. Cool. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay, let me get to the other one. Bye. All right, so I'm down with that one. Let's go to this one next. You know, it's interesting. So Lecce was a pretty neat surprise. I thought that was a pretty amazing city, and I could see myself going back for a month or three. But I think this probably is the highlights. A couple of those castles were pretty darn amazing, but these are enormous. If I ever win the lottery and get like $100 billion, I'm gonna build one of these and put a house right in the middle. Put a big on temple like this, and it'll be amazing. So Temple de Hera. So this is Nettuno over there, and this is Temple de Hera. De Hera. Let's go see what we got. Archaic Temple de Hera. Wow. And that's the horse. Of course, of course. Wow, wow. Yeah, I still think that one is much neater. Can you imagine building something like that with nothing in the middle and then building a house in the middle? Yeah, staggering. Oh, I'll slide by. Grazie, grazie. And there's all the ruins. Tons of ruins. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh, they're going underneath the rope. I don't think they're supposed to go underneath the rope. Staggering. I guess I'll go this way. Everybody else seems to be going this way. I guess I'll follow suit. Rule breaker. Oh, Eric, like you. Oh, this is the end of the line this way. Wow. Probably shouldn't do that. He yelled at him too. Yeah, how do we keep these things alive if everybody's jumping the fences? This comes from Eric. I don't jump the fences, but not many. Anyway, very cool. I like this one too. This could work. Imagine having a roof that high. Yeah, very cool. Amazing. Wow, wow. Neat. Very cool. Yeah, and look at the view. It's really hard taking pictures and running a camera sometimes. Wow, amazing. They're huge. What is that? Maybe, I don't know, 100 yards, like a football field maybe? Maybe a little shorter. 70, 80 yards? I don't know. So let me just tell you this too. There are tons and tons of ruins. They have a theater, they have an arena type thing, they have houses, they have businesses, they have just tons and tons of stuff. But I'm interested in the temples. I've done tons of ruins 100 times over, so let's stick to the temples. So I'm gonna turn this off now, and then I'll head to the other temple, and you can see it right through there. And then I'll get on the road. I got a long day. Bye, everybody. Okay, here's the third temple. That's big enough for my house. Wow. That is amazing. 6. So 6 wide. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 long. Wow. Wow, wow. That would be perfect. I could do that. Come on, lottery. Do something like that and put a little modest, I mean, it'd be a roofed item, and then just put a nice moderate little 2-bedroom suite house in the middle, so that you could always walk around the outside of your house, but in the undercoverings of your temple. Yeah, we have to call this the Eric temple. Oh, what's this one say? This is Temple of Athena. Built at the end of the 6th century BC, it stands a 3-tiered base. The main hall is surrounded by 6 by 13. Hey, Eric could count. In which the statue dedicated to the cult is at a higher level than the ambulatory of the blah, 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 blah. Wow. Temple of Athena. Wow. Amazing. Wow, wow. Amazing, huh? Can you imagine this thing back in its heyday? What it would look like? Let me see if I can get a neat picture with the sun fading right behind the pillar up there. Wow. Very, very, very cool. Alright, everybody. Well, at least you know what you get when you come here. Come here, though. It's spectacular. That's it, everybody. Bye-bye.